badges, buckles, medals, helmets, weapons. All this you don't see in this video, but hello and welcome by the new adventure with Military Finder. Personally here, we are now on a new spot on small hill in the middle of nowhere. We have information on this hill. Should be some SS unit and will be here a big tank battle. So I'm really excited what we can find here, but I really want to find something from a tank, from a German tank, you know. I really want, so we need to check this place. We find some foxholes here, some trenches, but at this time we have a not so good finds, only crap, but I still hope we find it. But anyway, it's a really good trip, I really enjoy it, and let's go see what we can find here on this new adventures. Don't forget to leave a like under this video and write me in the comment if you think if we can find something from German tanks. Okay, let's go on hunt, guys. We find a beautiful harmonica. Look at that. A really nice one. The soldiers make music with this in the trenches. Lots of mosquitoes in this woods, but anyway, we are by this big trench here. Focus, yeah. And the harmonica is maybe 1 meter away, so really nice relic. I really enjoy it. So maybe we find more stuff. If not, it will be really bad, but this one, it's really nice, really nice. So in this hole we find this filter for gas mask. Look at that. Okay. And we still have a signal inside this hole. We need to check it. So still inside. Can be deep. No idea what can be. So guys, we find that's apart from a German shoe, yeah, or a Russian, and some part of pistol pouch. I think it's Hungarian or German. No idea because I see no marking. We find also the clips for it, and here another part from a shoe. It's a really big shoe. Well, like you can see. So also another finds. changing location because hard terrain, really hot, sweating like a horse. But anyway, we're trying this wood. This wood, it's really nice. Look at that. Cool, huh? So we go trying searching in this wood and maybe we can find something. Maybe not. Let's see. You don't believe me, guys. You don't believe me. We find something really special, and I'm really excited from this. I make a detail with another camera, but now look at that. You know what is it? You know what is it? That's a wheel from a German tank. Let me in the comment which type of tank was this. Look at that. I'm really surprised from this. Absolutely amazing. Someone used this for like a machine, or I don't know, for a plow. No idea, but absolutely amazing and stunning find here on this place. So definitely great sign to here was a really German tank unit, and awesome. Really like it. So let me in the comment what for a tank was this. If you enjoy it, leave a like, because definitely this is the hit of the day. And well, maybe we find something good, but I don't think so, because this is a really hammer find, a really good one. So yeah, I'm really surprised, and I'm really happy that we find this. Yes. So we find amazing thing. Look at that. It's a wheel from a German tank or Panzer. Really awesome. Let me know in the comment what the type of German tank is this. Really awesome. Look at these details here. Someone used it for a machine. I don't know. Here is the rest of color. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah. I need to know what type of tank is this. But it's really awesome. Really, this is hit of the day for me. Yeah. It was normally after war. People use rest of techniques for some machines, for plowing, for everything. But this is absolutely amazing. I really love it. We need to check this place more. But definitely find of the day. A German wheel from a tank. Really awesome. I really like it. Yeah. So definitely we hit a good spot, and we know that the German unit was here, and this is amazing relic. It's an amazing relic. I really love it.